Wow, look at this. The trail's right next to a cliff.
No.
If you saw our last video here at Colbert's Glen, I actually did fall down the trail, and I don't want to fall down this time. Okay. Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm Alejandro and this
is Penny.
On this channel we talk about family, fun, and filmmaking. We're right close by the waterfall right now. I'm sure you guys can hear it. I'm trying to find a good angle because from right here, we can't see much. Okay, this is the third time we gotta do this to get the shot right, okay. And we need multiple shots for this, so let's go. Ah, that's a treacherous little part of the hike. There's a lot of low places where we gotta climb through in this hike.
Yeah. My hair was stuck on some leaves.
It was stuck on some leaves?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're walking on mud. Good job, Daddy.
Penny says that trail looks like fun over there. I think we're gonna turn around and see if we can find a better established trail. What do you think, Penny?
No.
No, you wanna go on this little trail?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Okay, this is gonna be weird. You can do it. You can do it.
Oh, this is a big hill. Got to get, whoa, balance, whoa.
Balance.
We made it.
Right.
Woo.
It's so cool when you have a fan and gumballs in it.
We are on a much nicer trail now, better maintained. Okay, we've only been on this trail for a moment, but Penny's like, I don't like it when we're too high. I want to go back lower. So we found a little trail down this way and we're going to try to get onto it. If you saw our last video here at Colbert's Glen, I actually did fall down the trail and I don't want to fall down this time. Yeah, we made it up onto the other side, okay. So we're safe. Nice view though. This tree over here looks kind of cool. I don't trust it to climb across it, but it's tempting. Wow, look at this. The trail's right next to a cliff.
No.
Nope, that is private property. Look at Penny, another tree. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go on this. Last time we were on this hike, it was wintertime, so it's very different looking than it was when we came here in winter. I don't completely understand this because there's a bridge and then there's a trail right next to it, but there's nothing the bridge is going over. Check it out. What?
What?
The bridge is behind us. What? Yeah. How was the hike, Penny? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
How much fun did you have? Ah, yes! We have just about made it to the car, so this is the end of the vlog. Please hit that subscribe button, join our family, smash that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.